So this is a really key point here. ChatGPT and Midjourney together is a match made in heaven. What we can do and what you can do is basically just describe the photo that you want. In this example, I just said that I want a photo of a train for the cover of a book, and then I just pasted the prompt formula down below. And I did say, make sure that the prompt is one long paragraph. Otherwise, ChatGPT kind of defaulted to giving dot points. But one kind of paragraph is how Midjourney prefers an image description. So what you'll see here is it's now generating concepts for this. So if you just give a basic idea, maybe it's your product or something like that, you can use ChatGPT to then come up with lots of different ideas for how you might style that, and it'll give you everything you need with that prompt formula that I just outlined earlier. So this is it in action. Copy from ChatGPT, paste into Midjourney, which is within the Discord app that I mentioned. And you can see that once you do that, it kind of gets brought to life as if it's like dreaming these images.